Hello, 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 hello. Hello to you. Good day. Wanted to come on today and talk to you about entrepreneurship. It's another episode in my entrepreneurship series. I wanted to come on today and talk to you about starting off investing a little at a time before taking a big leap into your entrepreneurial journey, and I'll explain more. My name is Lisa Lanaola from lisalanaola.com. Let's go. Once again, my name is Lisa from lisalanaola.com. You can go on and check out the website for anything head wrap related, hair accessory related, umbrella related. It's all on the website, lisalanaola.com. Before I get into the video, I'm going to ask that you subscribe to this channel. Hit the subscribe button, please. I will wait for you. Thank you so much for doing that. It means a lot to me that we can become friends on YouTube, and we can become friends when you hit the subscribe button. So thank you for doing that. So today's topic, entrepreneurship, it's one of my favorite topics. I love, love, love it. I'm a new entrepreneur. Recently, it's been about 2 years now since it's been legit. So it's been 2 years. I'm a full entrepreneur, and I am sharing everything that I'm learning, because when I started off, I did not know anything about entrepreneurship, except you have to have a product or service to offer to people in order to get some return, right? So that's all I knew. So since my journey 2 years in, I've learned so much. And I just want to help anyone. I just want to help you, actually. I just want to help you that are watching this, you just navigate this entrepreneurial journey, because this ain't for the weak. And we surely cannot do it alone. So we become friends and we'll learn together and grow together, right? So today I want to talk to you about something that I learned early on. Because I'm a budgeter, I like to stay within my budget. I don't have a lot of funds right now, right? I always have to budget, and that's why we're building, so we can become bigger and better, right? So on this journey to becoming bigger and better, if you watched my last episodes, I talked about investing in a course and all that kind of stuff. Today's episode, I like to talk about why we should start off small, why I like to start off small, and I think that you should too. I'll first say that when my husband and I, we were in debt in maybe about, I would say 6 or 7 years ago, and then we learned about the Snowball Method. So the Snowball Method is you write all your debts down from smallest to largest, and then you pay off the smallest one. And as you pay off the smallest one, it gives you a feeling of accomplishment, right? It gives you a feeling of accomplishment, and that in turn will delete that debt. You'll feel accomplished, and the money that you were paying on that small debt, you can now put to the next one in line, right? So we did that, and that's how we cleared off the debt that we had. It's called the Snowball Method. So when I was doing that and we cleared off the smaller debt and then went on to the larger debt, it gave us a sense of win. It was like a big win. And we're like, oh my gosh, we can do this. So I literally started doing that with everything. And I think I've always done it, like I said, in life, because I don't have a lot of funds. So my money that I invest always has to go far in anything that I do, right? I have to like get my returns. So we did that. Then I started the business about 2 years ago. I invested in a course, $500. And it was a lot of money at the time, like I said in my previous video, because we had just bought a house and I had put everything for a down payment and it wasn't a lot left. So $500 for the course squeezed all the information out, did everything, and got a gain, right? Got a gain. And when you do it small like that, you're able to test the waters, you're able to learn, you're able to take all the information and just grow as a business owner. And that's what it's all about, right? And then you take that $500, you take everything that you've learned, you make that money back times 10, and then you invest in something bigger and a little bit bigger in another $2,000. You could take a $500 course, $1,000 course, whatever it is, or however you think you need to invest in your business to see a return, right? It doesn't have to be a course, could be a coach, whatever it is. I'm not there yet, so I invested in a course. So then you grow, you learn, and you're like, okay, I like doing this, I don't want to do that, I'm happy doing this. And that's how we learn, right? And that's how we learn and grow. So then you're like, okay, I tested the waters and I really like entrepreneurship. I really think that I can do this, right? So now you're going to figure out if you want to stay on this journey. And for me, I was sort of wavering at times because I was like, do I want to continue entrepreneurship, or do I just want a job that pays me more than the job that I currently have? Because I'm on a journey. If you follow me on Instagram, I'm on a journey to earn more, right? So I'm on a journey to earn more. That's what I want to do with my life. That's what I want to just build for, and to leave a legacy for my grandkids, because I want them to be better than I was growing up. So anyway, so you take that. Then you take another course that's maybe double, triple, 4 times that amount that you did, or you do something in your company, in your business to invest, right? And 3 or 4 times the amount that you previously spent, and you grow that. And then you say, okay, you know what? I've won, I've done this. I don't like certain things. I like this, I like that, whatever it is. You make adjustments, and that's how you grow, and that's how you build. And then I would go and take another course that was maybe 4 times that, 5 times that. And that's how you see, and when you do that, you see wins, and you know if you want to continue this, you know if you want to keep stepping in this direction. Because some people would say that, well, some people will spend $10,000 right off the bat, or $7,000 right off the bat for an investment into their company. And if they have the money, then power to them, and that's, you know, whatever it is. But if you're like me, and we have to watch our coins, making a $7,000 or $10,000 investment right up front, and you're just starting off in business, you don't even know if your idea is a solid one. You don't know if you even want to pursue this direction, because when you're in business, your business could head in a lot of directions. So I started off with head wraps, right? I started with head wraps, going to pop-up events, and I went and put them online. And now I'm on YouTube sharing information. So your business could take a lot of turns, and I don't know where I'm going next, but for you to invest in a $7,000 or $10,000 course, or any sort of investment right up front, and you don't know what direction you want to go, that can be pretty scary. And I would not be able to do something like that. And I don't recommend, you know, it's my opinion. I really don't recommend that anyone just starts off doing that. I say start off small, see if you like this, see if you want to continue, grow, and then, you know, push on from there. And that way, when you do it that way, you gain knowledge, you know how things work, you become consistent, you know that you can work, and you feel secure in your wins. So you do gain a lot of knowledge by starting off small, because like I said, I didn't know anything about business, anything at all. So you start off small, you gain a lot of knowledge, and then you move on from there, and then you grow and you invest some more, and then you get some wins, you learn some more, and then you invest some more and stuff like that. And you can see, you don't just take a lot, because the digital world is sort of cryptic. It's not shady, but it's sort of like cryptic. There's a lot of unknowns. Like, you know, if you pay 7,000 or 10,000 and you don't know the person, or you don't know what that investment is going to lead to. You're just taking a chance and then you end up taking a loss. That's a big loss to have started out with. And I wouldn't be able to do that, you know? And I said the digital world is cryptic because it's entrepreneurs who have done what you have done, right? And they're giving you the outline. And I'm talking about courses again. And they've given you the outline, and that outline might not work for you. It might not, because it's not the blueprint, it's just an outline to follow, and you might get good results. So to invest 7,000 or 10,000 in a course at first, I think is kind of, not a good, it's not a great idea, because you need to at least know what you're dealing with or what you're getting into. So start small, and then invest a little bit more, gain a little bit more knowledge. Stay consistent with that too, because I feel like I took my business more seriously when I invested in a course, because I started off as a side hustle, and I was doing pop-up shops. I was making money from there. I was going out creating my own pop-up shops. I was doing my own thing, right? But it was still just a side hustle at that point. It was just a side hustle. I was like, okay, I could do this. I could make money from this. I could go from there. And then once I paid and I invested, I was like homework. It was like homework at that point. I'm going to sit and I'm going to do this, schedule the time and actually put in the effort. And I feel like, well, for me, the more money that I invest, as I grow, it's like the more dedication and seriously I take the business. I've taken it so seriously, way more than when I was just watching free stuff online, or reading books or podcasts or whatever it is. Whatever the free thing is, I would just do it and I would try my best. But it's nothing is better than actually having money invested in it, because you have to pay to play, and you gain knowledge faster, because when you're searching on YouTube, you're searching for different things, but when you take a course or you make an investment in your business, you're actually growing faster, because the person who has done this has made the mistakes, and they're trying to teach you how to not make the same mistakes. So all in all, what I'm trying to say is you will grow if you invest small, gain knowledge, stay consistent, see the wins, get your returns, make another investment, maybe twice the amount, triple the amount, 4 times the amount, whatever it is that you feel comfortable with at that time. And sometimes I want to say you might not feel comfortable with it, because I've made a investment 4 times the amount that I started with. And right now, I am not, I'm comfortable with it, but it's still tight. You know what I mean? And I plan on actually pushing through, doing the work and doing what I'm supposed to do. So it's not all about comfort, but it's all about what you feel okay with, right? Because it's going to be scary. Business is scary. Entrepreneurship is scary. You feel like you're doing it alone and you don't know if this is the right path, and you're going to try this and try that, and some things might work, some things might fail, but starting off small is the best thing to do. Just start off small, do a little bit at a time, and you will be fine. So that is my opinion on that, and that is what I think is the best route to take if you are a new entrepreneur, right? So let me know in the comments what you think is the right way to proceed. Like, do you want to go big or go home? Do you want to go big or go home? Invest that 10,000 right away so you can push real hard and see a return? Or are you like me, where we just like to take small steps, see some wins, take some more small steps, see some wins, and then you can go as big as you want, because you are now secure in what you are building. You feel confident and you feel like you're headed in the right direction. So let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next one. Okay, once again, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, because I would love to become friends with you. I want us to stay friends, hit the subscribe button, and you can put your email address in I'm gonna add it in the description. In the description below, you can add your email address for us to stay connected. It wants your first name and your email, so add that there. And then we could stay friends, all right? So let me know. We'll be entrepreneurial buddies because we cannot do this alone. This is a journey that needs way more than you by yourself, all right? So kudos to you, and I'll see you on the next one. Lisa from LisaLanaola.com. Bye.